Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEAR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today the price didn't make a good move. Everybody would agree price made a nice move today, but that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is based off of, this point right here. And I want to squeeze up the chart just to offer a little bit more perspective, and hopefully we can all follow the logic the same way. But right here at $1.15, why is $1.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's been for literally weeks upon weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. But let's say that a drastic pullback happens, and a drastic pullback comes down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after the drastic pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. You want to see price movements making progress as time goes on. And again, I'm just defining quote-unquote making progress as staying up above $1.15. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards movement is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance right now, and I'll explain that in a second. But the key level going into tomorrow, I'm going to call it right up there at $1.43. The reason I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation and building and showing progress. Again, all boiling back down to that $1.15 point. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.